Hello, good evening, everyone. It's your girl, Latasha Wilson, the Bosschic, your favorite serial entrepreneur, former educator, and full-time investor. Hello, YouTube. Hello. It's been a minute, right? Hello, Facebook. Tap in, tap in. Guys, I know it is in the evening. I don't know what time it is where you're at in the world, but I'm still up and making major moves. We have a special happening right now. And I said, you know what? I got to go live. I don't want any of my followers or my Facebook fam, to miss any of these deals. It has been just for now 3 days that we have a special on my academy, the Learning Academy. And so I wanted to come on here and share that with you guys. I am going to stay on with you for a good 15 minutes tonight. Hello, it's 10 o'clock in Atlanta. Hi, doctors. Yvette. Hi, Dr. Yvette. What's up, Josh? I love that reel, bro. You're going to see something reinvented, okay, on that reel. What's up, Lady Ocean? Thank you for tapping in. Appreciate it. Hello, Facebook. Y'all go ahead and say something. Let me know where you're watching from. If you're in Atlanta, in Detroit, in London, in Canada, wherever you're at, I just welcome you to my page. Make sure you're following my YouTube page as well. So for those of you up there, I am looking down at my laptop. We're on Facebook, both my channels, as well as YouTube. Hello, good evening, good evening. Guys, come on in and say hello to me. Say hello if you are watching. Y'all missing it up here on Instagram because I got banners down here on my page. So I'm able to do a lot more when I'm live on this specific platform that I use to stream in several different places. So I'm able to stream in about they just added another one, 6. So they have something where I can even be live on LinkedIn, I think they call it. So I'm gonna have to connect that when I'm waiting for them to include Instagram, so I don't have to be on 2 different devices. But I know it's coming, guys, all of this technology that we have going on. So again, I'm just going to wait about 10 more seconds. Y'all come on in the room. I'm Latasha Wilson, the Bosschic, originally from Detroit. For those of you who are here on my page for the first time, I don't take it lightly. I don't take it for granted that you could be on anybody else's page, but you tuned in, you tapped in, and I promise it'll be worth your while. Anytime I'm up after, and it's 10:02 here where I'm at, PM. Anytime I'm up, I definitely have something to share, guys. And I've been so on a high, like high energy equals high income. High energy equals high income, right? This is my clapping for tonight. We clapping, all right? It's a little late, if anybody in the house sleep, we don't want to wake them up. So we just gonna snap. If I say something you like, snap. I can't see y'all, but I'm gonna act like y'all over there snapping for me. But high energy equals high income. And so I'm excited because, life is good. God has really just been showing his grace, his mercy, and giving me favor, not just me, but people around me. I'm talking about my family, some of my friends, my mentors, some of my wealth partners. God has absolutely been mind blowing. Y'all, I have been able, and this is not about me. I hope you guys can hear me good. If you're on Facebook, go ahead and let me know if it's not coming in good, because it looks like my signal is weak. It looks like the signal is weak, but if y'all can see me on Facebook, type in here that I'm good, say okay, it's good, boss, something like that, okay? So yeah, guys, like people around me, even in my circle, have just been having amazing testimonies. And so, you want to hang around people. You want to find you a circle of friends, a circle of believers. They ain't even got to be friends at this point. If you can get around some like-minded individuals and all of y'all on the same wavelength, you're talking goals, you're talking big numbers. Like I can't be around small thinkers right now. Like my vision is so far above now on another level. I can't continue to be and have the same conversations that I was having 2-3 years ago, even last year. If you want to go to the next level, you have to get around people that are pushing you to the next level. You got to get around people who have what it is that you desire so that they can show you the roadmap and you can get a shortcut, right? Now, it's not all about getting shortcuts either or no handouts. However, you want to move wiser. You want to move smarter. And so there's nothing wrong with getting around other individuals who are sharper than you. And so with that being said, hopefully everybody has tapped in now. Go ahead and tag a friend. Hello, Joanne. Thank you for coming in and saying hello. What's up, twin? Marsha, how are you? Thank you for coming on. Some of these are some new faces. I'm just glad that you stopped by to tap in and listen. So for those of you who don't know, I was a school teacher 14 years. 14 years. I love the kids, still love the kids, which actually led me to open up my own nonprofit, a 501c3. So I still cater to children living in underserved communities. I do a lot with them, have a board here in Atlanta, and love doing that. But I left the classroom just 7 years ago, walked away, fired my boss because I really wanted to do more. I don't like restrictions. I don't like being confined to, a certain way of doing things. I don't like my money confined. Oh, I only make money when I go to work. No, baby, I needed more. I like multiple streams of income. But more than that, I had bigger visions, bigger goals that demanded my time. And when you have a job or when you have a commitment to a boss or whoever it is that you're answering to, you don't really have time freedom, right? And so what I want to do tonight is help the person who's listening, the people who are listening and tapped in. I want to show you how I gave myself time freedom. Once you give yourself time freedom, you're able to go after those dreams and those goals and those deals and make, those decisions and make those big boss moves, because now you're moving on your own time, on your own vibe and so forth, right? And so I gave myself permission to do that. And ever since I walked away from my job, God has just put me in rooms that I wasn't even invited to. And when I showed up, people were looking like, what's she doing? Who she know? Where she come from, right? Call me favor right now. This is the season of favor. I am very clear on what's going on and how God is moving on my behalf. It is not me anymore. 7 years ago, I did make the decision to leave and walk away from my job. But here it is, fast forward, God is shifting and moving things a bit different on my behalf. And so I'm all for it. At some point, you got to get out of your own way. At some point, you got to get out of your own way. In the beginning, or some of you are probably contemplating making some major moves, making some business deals and so forth. And the way you've been doing it probably got you where you can pat yourself on the back and say, yeah, I'm doing good. All is well. Hey, Facebook, everything is going good. But that you making your moves on your own, that plan that you wrote down, that business plan, those scriptures that you've been quoting 5 years ago to get you where you are today, at some point you're going to have to continue to grow. You're going to have to continue to evolve to get to the next level. All right. And so that's where I am in this season. God is shifting. He's doing things different. I literally just had a conversation with some of my team members, and I was like, hey, things about to shift this second quarter. Things are about to shift this second quarter. We cannot continue to do the things that we've been doing that got us to this point. It is so much bigger than where we've been. And in order for us to get there, we're going to have to move differently. And so those who with me, let's go. Let me know you in 110%, because I can't take nothing less than 100%, like literally nothing than 101%. Because if you just doing 100%, you just doing the bare minimum. Right. And so right now I'm just connecting and partnering with people who want to go all in, who ready to roll up their sleeves, right? Get a little dirty, but go all in for you and yours. Go all in for you and your family. Go all in for you and your legacy. Yeah, I'm over here. I just got finished. Look, about an hour ago, I was watching Tupac, the movie. It was on, and I hadn't seen that in about 5 years. So I'm a little like rough tonight. Like I'm ladylike, but I'm like ready to get in the trenches about mine and my goals and my family and where it is that I know God is taking me. So we moving different this second quarter. I don't know about y'all, but y'all better get your minds right. Write down that vision, write that goal down, but you're going to have to execute it this time. It's time to execute. Somebody say execute. It is time to execute this time. Thank you for coming in. How you doing, Justice? How you doing, Kim? Bless. Appreciate y'all for coming in. So with that being said, God is just moving. He's shifting some things around. The network that he's been allowing me to, interact with and just introducing me to lately in the last 2 weeks has been phenomenal. And so I don't take any relationship, any new person that I meet, I don't take those relationships for granted, guys. Sometimes you can be around people for years, 20, 30 years plus, and you feel like that loyalty is what, because they've been loyal and they've been there for so long, they've been your friend, they like family, that you still gotta be loyal to them in a sense of your time. Sometimes it's gonna have to take some separation this season. So it's okay. I'm gonna give y'all permission. That loyalty is good, but it's some people that you feel like you're attached to, or that you feel like you just gotta still stay around because they've been around for so long. And when y'all used to run the streets and now y'all older and X, Y, and Z, you still feel like you obligated to them, that you owe them that. This next season, y'all gonna have to move different if you want different results. Okay. So insanity is doing the same thing over and over, expecting different results. No, babe, y'all can't be insane no more. I don't want nobody that's watching me to stay in the same position that they've been in for year after year after year. And so 2023, guys, you got to have great expectation. You got to be willing to roll up your sleeves, put in that work, and go all in for your dreams and for your goals. All right? Are y'all with me? All right. Let's drink to that. Thank you. Execute. Dr. Yvette said execute, guys. Super excited. I see y'all tuned in. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So what's the big news? What's the big news? On Instagram, you won't be able to see the flyer that I'm about to share. I done forgot how to share on here. So let's see. Hopefully you guys on Facebook that are tuned in, y'all stay there now, because I got to tell you what the deal is. You have 2 more days to get involved with this major deal that we're having. Now, our academy, let's talk about AI, right? Artificial intelligence is everywhere right now. It has already started replacing people's jobs on Microsoft, Amazon. I saw one video where the whole factory in Amazon, they had about 50 IA robots doing all the work that a typical person would be doing. And so they've already laid off thousands and thousands of people in various companies that you and I both know very well, right? That we know of. And so artificial intelligence is here to stay. It's actually spooky. It's spooking me out. I was watching another video. I'm just scrolling and I'm always doing a little research when I'm up, and I'm, working on my second and third ebook right now. So you got to be abreast of what's going on, what the economy is doing, and how things are shifting, right? And so the other day, I saw a video where they had these AI robot dogs, okay? They literally had a robot with 4 legs, looking like a dog, walking around. And that's just crazy. Like, what in the world is going on? They have robot securities. When I was in Vegas a month ago, we got flown out, had a major meeting, a conference with the CEO of this amazing platform that I've been with, where I've been able to multiply my money, replace my income that I used to make as a teacher. And I've been able to do that with this particular company using a digital product. So, if you've seen my title on the other platforms who just chimed in, I was talking about, do you want to learn how to use AI products, our digital products that pretty much uses y'all, I'm gonna have to learn how to curl this hair over here, because it's getting on my nerve. But look, with our products, guys, we use literally the same algorithms, the same strategies, the way our products are set up. It is made for you to be able to maneuver from your cell phone using our apps, our money apps, and make a living. So we were talking about time freedom earlier. How many of you want to be able to do what you want to do? Excuse me, when you want to do it. If you're not done sleeping and you're still sleepy, you rather stay asleep and not get up until you're done resting, but you still want to wake up and be able to make the type of income that you would make had you went to work that day, right? So for those of you who rather stay home and still make the type of income that you're making on the job, how many of you would be interested in that? Raise your hand. How many? So that's where I come in at. Our digital platform allows you the opportunity to where you can learn and earn at the same time. You don't have to have any prior knowledge, right? We do everything for you as it relates to the curriculum. Everything is mapped out. All you got to do is be able to follow directions. So, am I the smartest person in the room? No. When I came to this platform, just because I was a school teacher with a bachelor's and a master's degree, did not mean that I knew how to trade in the markets, right? What markets am I talking about? I'm talking about the cryptocurrency market. I'm talking about learning foreign exchange, how to trade and buy and sell in a foreign exchange market. I didn't know about that. I didn't know how to trade the stock market. I only knew how to buy the stock, but even then, I didn't know which stocks to buy. But with our technology, with our digital products, guys, we show you our educators. We have expert educators, 70 plus, okay? And they're on 24/7 around the clock. If you're a late owl like me, 2 a.m. in the morning, guess what? I'm learning. I'm tapped into their screen. They're sharing their screen with me while they're dissecting the markets. All I got to do is listen and take notes. So again, you don't have to be the sharpest knife in the drawer to make money over here. You just got to be willing to show up when you got that extra time, or when you're really ready to change the trajectory of your life, when you're really ready and tired of living check to check. When you get tired of that, you will really put a demand on your life and say, you know what? I got to do this. There's no reason why I'm still watching this lady pop up looking happy with her blonde hair, always talking about time freedom. She always on some airplane in another country, on the beach somewhere, living her best life. And I'm still just watching her, wishing that I knew what she was doing. Don't wish, y'all. You can join for $199. All right, there it is. Boop. $199. $199. You got 2 days left to join for $199. What do you have to lose right now besides having the same lifestyle, and doing what you've been doing every day? Take a chance, guys. This is the time to do something different, because eventually, those of you who are still working a 9 to 5, ain't nothing wrong with it. But eventually, those AI, this artificial intelligence, these robots, they are about to come take your place. You might get, a note. You may get that email. And Lord forbid, I don't want to see anybody household have to suffer because they were not prepared. And so this is the season to learn something new. Everybody that's watching me, you got to learn something new. You got to make a decision that you want more, you deserve more, and now is the time. I am going to start participating. Instead of just observing and watching, it is time for me to get active and participate so that I can get the results and have the life that I know I want, that I deserve, right? God gave us life so that we can live, have it, and have it more abundantly. He gives life to have more abundantly. There's so many scriptures on abundance. I don't know, some preachers, back in the day, the old Baptists, and I'm not talking about anybody's denomination, but, some preachers used to shun, or some Christians, they shun talking about prosperity. Well, the prosperity is made for us. The wealth of the wicked is laid up for the righteous. So I don't know about you, but I want my wealth now, not when I'm gone. I can't do nothing with it when I'm gone. But one thing I am doing is, when I happen to leave this earth and go to heaven, right? I do want to make sure that I leave something behind for my nieces, for my nephews, for my godchildren. That's what we call generational wealth. How many of you are interested in even leaving generational wealth? How many of you ever been left generational wealth? How many of you are a trust fund baby? Not many people can raise their hand and say me, right? How about we change this cycle? How about you be the game changer? How about things shift today, tonight, because you're listening and you know you want to be that person. You want to be that family member who, when you're gone, they can look up over the fireplace and you're there up over the mantle. A big picture. They call you Gigi. They call you Grandpa. They call you Auntie. That was my TT. She left us land and houses. We get to do what we want to do because they lived a lifestyle or they learned a skill set that gave us now the freedom to do what we want, and follow behind their footsteps. That could be you. So for $199 right now, you guys can join our platform and learn how to trade in the markets. It is not difficult. You can make it difficult if you don't study, if you don't show up, and if you don't follow directions. But when I came in, I didn't know what I was doing. I just showed up, right? Just as easy as I show up to go get my nails done. I show up when my appointment for my hair, I got a hair appointment tomorrow, and I'm going to show up, right? We show up for what we want to show up for. And some of our lives reflect that. If you don't have, and there's a whole lot of lack, it's because you're not showing up to the right places. It's because you're not showing up to where you need to be or getting the education that you need to get. And some of our lives are reflecting that. If your bank account keep going in overdraft, it's because you're missing something, a piece of the puzzle. And so I want y'all to do something different this year. We are ending first quarter. April 1st, it will be second quarter of the year. There's 4 quarters in a year. I'm already mapping out where I want to be per quarter. How are you executing your goals? How are you gauging your progress with your goals, right? So I'm doing mine by quarter as well as yearly, annual goals, and then I have my quarterly goals, all right? So I'm dropping down some pieces that I hope y'all picking up. So if you want to join our academy and you want to learn how to use our digital products that will pay you to use them, our academy will also pay you to share our digital products that you don't have to teach people how to use because they're going to learn how to use them too on their own. We're going to also put you in a community when you join. You're going to be in a community, in a network of absolutely amazing people that want to see you win, right? And it's rare that you got people around you that really want to see you win. They want to see you win until you win a bit faster than them. They want to see you win. They want to support you until you outpace them. And then it's like, was that love real or was it fake? But look, this is a community where you can come, bring your friends, bring your BFF, bring your spouse, put your babies in if they're 18 years or older. I want to show you how to tap into our academy, learn how to use digital AI products that are super smart, that uses algorithms out of this world, that gives you high probability trade ideas, potential trades where you can make money in the market, right? Now, past results does not guarantee future profits, but what I will say is my past results and others, it has been very, very welcoming and delightful. Okay. Very delightful. And I'm grateful for it. And so that's what made me come on here live because again, we have a special running for 2 more days, guys. So y'all go ahead, go to sayyesandwin.com, sayyesandwin.com. Those of you who are watching right now on YouTube, as well as Facebook, the link is scrolling at the bottom. Sayyesandwin.com is my website. You want to go to join now. Click that button that says join now and go ahead and sign up. Now, when you're signing up, pick which package you want. FRX, that's our grandfather package, the very first package we ever had. That's learning the very basics of the foreign currency market, learning how to trade basic pairs like the US dollar, learning how to trade Japanese yen, Great British pound, gold, commodities as well. If you want to trade crypto and you want to know everything crypto, you want to pick our DCX platform. Y'all go pick DCX, all right? That's everything crypto. Now, if you want to do time-based trading, TBX is really, really good. You get to trade Forex and crypto, and it's fun too. People pretty much, they like that platform. You can pick 2 platforms, our empowered If you pick the Empower platform, then you're going to pick 2 different academies so that you can have 2 streams of income coming in. All right. I mean, literally, you can make more than 2 streams of income with one platform. Right. But it's something about that Empower, because it's like getting a 2-for-1 deal. And I like 2-for-1 deals. Y'all know I'm the queen of couponing too. I don't care how much money I make. I'm going to always be frugal. I'm going to be frugal in certain areas. So I still coupon on the side every blue moon. But God is good. I thank him for just increase and overflow, because I'm able to use these digital top of the line products. Okay. So go to sayyesandwin.com. Now, for the person who came in and you're like, I'm not too interested in learning how to trade, y'all, my hair, something is tingling in my nose. If you're not too interested in trading, but you are a business owner, have a boutique, you like selling things, you want to be in the e-commerce industry, we do have an e-commerce platform. It's called ECX. So you would pick our ECX platform if you want to learn more about how to start your own e-commerce platform online and sell products that you don't even have to buy. You can have a whole store, 20 products in your store online, and you didn't have to buy one of them, but now you're selling them. Okay, you're selling them, and the company will ship them for you on your behalf. It's called drop shipping. So that's a whole nother system, but it's ECX, and we do offer that as well. So all of these platforms are on sale. We have a program if you're interested in, self-development, working on your mindset, taking that to the next level, learning how to be consistent, learning how to have discipline, self-discipline, let your yay be yay, your no be no. Learning how to be consistent in your work ethics. So mindset, that's the other platform. I think that's MMS or MMX, right? All of these acronyms. Don't let me confuse you. Just get started. How about you get started on one of them? So again, if you want to start learning how you can make your money make you money, high income equals high energy, and you're going to be on my team, and you're going to get to work with me. Come on, y'all. Go to sayyesandwin.com. I was going to share, I think I'm going to hop off of Instagram because you won't, like I said, be able to see this next part of the presentation that I'm going to share with my YouTubers and Facebook. But I thank you for joining me. And y'all go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube page. Do it now. It's spelled out the same way as my name, Latasha Bosschic Wilson. So God bless y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in, and I will see y'all later. Oh, Orlando. Hold on, Instagram. I can't let y'all go. We're having a conference in Orlando, Florida this weekend. So I will be there. I'm doing a meet and greet. Y'all come see your girl. I'm going to be near the Orange County Convention Center. Orange County Convention Center. I am having a meet and greet Friday when I get there. So I do want to meet y'all. If you know somebody in Orlando, tag them to this post. Let's meet up, guys. We're going to be traveling. We got a travel company too. This academy is absolutely amazing. Guys, you can save a ton of money just using our travel platform, up to 60% off your hotel, your cruises, your Lamborghinis, your cars. You want to rent a car, baby? When you have our travel package as well, you'll be able to save a ton of money. So thank you, Instagram. Y'all go follow my YouTube page and subscribe. And y'all check me out on TikTok, all right? So I will talk to Instagram later. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye. All right. So what's going on, y'all? So I do want to share with y'all my screen here on YouTube and Instagram. I thank y'all for hanging in there with me while I talk to them on Instagram. I appreciate it. All right. So hopefully y'all will be able to see everything. Let me know if you don't. I want y'all to see my entire screen. Boom. There we go. All right. Can you see anything? So just let me show y'all real quick. This is an overview of our academy. What will you become? How would you feel if you had more control over your life, right? Have you ever felt like you were meant for more? And that's what I was talking about. Like, what if there was a way for you to build a better life, experience more happiness, more fulfillment, have that time freedom? Pretty much in a nutshell, you can do that, but you need the tools in which to do that. Okay. So, our Learning Academy, what you're going to get over here, you're going to gain mastery over the markets that empowers people to be more self sufficient, allowing the pursuit of a passion, fulfilling, and purpose driven life, right? So you can go and go after your dreams, do what you want to do, but you just need to be in the right environment. You need to learn the right skill set that'll allow you that freedom to do so, right? So you're going to have also live mentorship. This is good. This is one of my favorite parts. We're multimillionaires, right? Where you'll be able to accelerate your growth, achieve excellence with exclusive go live trading from a team of master educators committed to your success. They want to see you win. They want to see you succeed. So they're showing up and pouring into you. And then you're going to learn strategies which allow you to expand your learning and mentorship with simple, unique strategies that can make it much easier to learn how to trade in these markets. Okay. So I did go over how we make learning very simplified. These are the different acronyms that I mentioned, guys. Empower is when you pick two of these. You get to pick two. You may pick TBX and DCX or TBX and TLX and so forth. Okay. Whatever you do, just go to sayyesandwin.com. You one of those. Our Go Live educators, this is the best. This is where you learn. Learn from the best. Learn from them live, right? Supplement your learning with mentorship and guidance to design around your busy life, all right? And schedule, like they literally have over 100 full-time educators, all right? So find a strategy that you love. These are various strategies. You will learn what they are. You're going to pick one, maybe two. We don't learn everything, just like, in school. You don't go to college to become a doctor, a lawyer, a police officer, and all of that. You pick one, and then you just hone in on that, and you make it do what it do, all right? So our platform is absolutely amazing. Our story is simple, guys. We empower people. We build better lives. We give meaning and purpose. We believe real change begins with positive self-thinking and talking to yourself positively. Now that goes to my affirmation. Hold on. Where's my book on affirmations? Oh, it's an ebook, right? Y'all better go get that ebook. I told y'all I wrote a book on positive affirmations. You got to be able to speak to yourself the right way on a day-to-day basis. Sometimes we don't know how to do that, right? And so that's why I gave you a guide, a basic guide. It's an ebook. Y'all can go to affirmationsandmore.com, affirmationsandmore.com, and download my ebook. All right. Make sure you get that. And here it is. Our company is telling you the same thing. We believe real change begins with positive self-talk and self-thinking. All right. I also wanted to show you, where's my pick? Here it is. Here we go. I want to show, hold on. Let's wait for it to come up. I want to share that deal with you where it is, instead of 200 plus 249, you guys can sign up for 199. Okay. So just go to sayyesandwin.com. You can sign up for 199. Here we go. All right. I got to share this with you again. Y'all stay right there. Make sure y'all tag somebody. I hope you're enjoying this. I really want to just break down how simple it is. Sometimes we just overcomplicate things and it don't have to be complicated. Okay. So here's the deal. When you do sign up, I want y'all to make sure you take advantage of this. Okay. We just came from Rotterdam. They were out of the country. We had another event. And actually, this is what led to the company saying, you know what, we got to put it on. We got to put it on sale. So instead of paying $249, you guys can join for $199.95. All right. Now, if you do the Empower, you're going to get two platforms. Instead of paying pretty much $199 twice, which is $400, guys, you'll only be paying $249, and you will still get two different academies and platforms. That's a great deal. Here I am. Meet me in Orlando. Like I said, this Friday when I touch down, I definitely want to do a meet and greet. So if you're in Orlando and you're not a member of this particular academy, I want to meet you and I'll show you one-on-one how this can really work for you and your family. Okay. We're also having mimosas, mansions, and markets on this Monday. This Monday, 9 a.m. in Orlando, you can come out and have mimosas, right? Talk big numbers with us and see how we trade in these markets, honey. These are some of my amazing wealth partners. Super excited about that. So we have a lot of fun together as well. Yeah, this is the CEO of the company, Christopher Terry. He has a heart of gold. Him and Isis Terry, they absolutely love helping people. So I'm so excited that they even, gave us access at an affordable rate. Hello. They gave us access at an affordable rate to just participate and learn this skill set. These are my brothers from another mother, Alex Morton. He's a phenomenal leader. Matt Rosa and Jason Brown as well. So these are some of my wealth partners. You guys will get to meet them also. All right. So with that being said, guys, I want to thank the end on tonight. God is absolutely amazing, and I dare not share what I'm doing and what's working for me when I know it can help thousands of people around the world, right? So go ahead, tap in. Let's partner up this year. We're going into second quarter, April 1st. You want to keep staying in the same position that you're in, and it might be a good position. Good for you. No problem. But for the person who wants something different, you want more, or you want to multitask, you want to be multifaceted, you want to have several businesses. This could be an income producing opportunity for you as well. You can franchise. So you can be your own business owner and get tax write-offs when you become a member as well, and share this with others. So God bless y'all. I thank you for tuning in. I can go on and on tonight, but I'm not. Y'all stay tuned. Make sure you're following my YouTube and subscribe at Latasha Bosschic. Follow me on Instagram as well as TikTok. God bless y'all. Remember, next time you see me in person, call me Favor, because God's favor is all on my life and my businesses right now. I just claim it, and it's happening right now. So you want to get connected. God bless y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.